Elevate your culinary journey to new heights with our exceptional smoker, the pinnacle of smoking perfection. This remarkable masterpiece represents the culmination of years of relentless innovation, delivering precision and flavor infusion that stand unmatched in the industry. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smokers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560, the undisputed champ of smokers, earning its spot as the number 5 best smoker. This innovative marvel isn't just any smoker, it's a game changer. Imagine this: you're craving a perfectly smoked dish, and with the Gravity Series 560, you can reach 225 degrees Fahrenheit in a mere 7 minutes or crank it up to a blazing 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just 13 minutes. Control is at your fingertips with the digital control panel, or if you're feeling tech-savvy, connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for remote operation from your smart device. Precise temperature control. Check. Thanks to the digital fan, you'll achieve culinary perfection every time. And there's no guesswork with the built-in temperature gauge and meat probe thermometer. Worried about running out of fuel mid-smoke? Don't be. The Gravity Vet Hopper can handle 10 pounds of lumped charcoal or 16 pounds of briquettes, ensuring 12 to 15 hours of uninterrupted cooking bliss. Plus, with reversible smoke plus sear cast iron grates and 2 porcelain-coated warming smoking racks, you've got a total of 560 square inches to work your culinary magic. All this for just $677. Meet the Dyna-Glo DGO 1890 BDCD, your ticket to smoking perfection. Ranked as the number 4 best smoker, this beauty is a true game changer for barbecue enthusiasts. With its 6 height-adjustable cooking grates, this smoker provides a whopping 1890 square inches of cooking space, and each grate can hold up to 25 pounds of deliciousness. No more crowding your meats and veggies, you've got room to spare. The porcelain-enameled steel charcoal chamber is a masterpiece in design, ensuring your briquettes burn efficiently. Plus, say goodbye to messy cleanups with the charcoal and ash management system, complete with a sliding, removable steel ash pan. You can cook for hours without worrying about maintenance. This smoker's vertical and offset design not only maximizes efficiency, but also infuses your food with that perfect smoky flavor. And speaking of flavor, the adjustable smoke stack lets you fine-tune your cooking experience. The price is $279. Discover the Camp Chef 36-inch smoker, a true game changer for barbecue enthusiasts. Ranked as the number 3 best smoker, this beast comes with an array of impressive features. Imagine effortless, precise smoking and grilling at your fingertips. Equipped with an all-new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth PID controller, it automatically maintains your desired cooking temperature, backed by 4 meat probe ports and 4 meat probes. With a temperature range from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to a blazing 500 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to its 25,000 BTU power, you can go from slow, flavorful smoking to sizzling grilling in an instant. Adjust your smoke level with our smoke control, featuring settings from 1 to 10. But here's the kicker: the slide and grill technology lets you cook with direct flames at temperatures up to a scorching 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Ready to elevate your BBQ game? The Camp Chef 36-inch smoker can be yours for $1,449. Don't miss out on this smoking hot deal. Introducing the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker, a true champion among smokers. This 18-inch masterpiece has clinched the title of the number 2 best smoker, and it's no wonder why. Crafted from robust steel, this smoker is your ticket to creating mouth-watering, authentic smokehouse flavors right in your backyard. With an impressive 39.1-pound weight, it's as sturdy as it is reliable. But here's where it stands out: this smoker can handle a whole turkey and an entire ham simultaneously, thanks to its 2 generously sized, nickel-plated 18:1/2-inch wide cooking grates. You'll find it equipped with all the essentials: a water pan, a built-in thermometer, individual vents on both the bowl and lid for precise temperature control, and a heat-resistant nylon handle for safety. All of this comes together at a remarkable price of just $419, making it an unbeatable choice for grill masters and barbecue enthusiasts. So, transform your backyard into a gourmet haven with the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker. Say hello to the Traeger Grill's Ironwood 885, the #1 best smoker in the market. Say goodbye to gas and charcoal, because Traeger has redefined wood-fired taste with precision. This grill boasts a remarkable 500 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature and convenient features like locking caster wheels and all-terrain wheels, making it a breeze to maneuver. But what sets it apart is the connected home technology, Wayfire. Now you can control your grill from anywhere using the Traeger app, ensuring your culinary creations are always on point. With its 6-in-1 versatility, you can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and BBQ to your heart's content. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the porcelain grill grates. The Traeger Ironwood, a market leader in pellet grills, comes equipped with the upgraded D2 drivetrain for quicker starts, faster heating, and superior smoke quality. Designed for family cooking, it offers a generous 885 square inches of grilling space, capable of accommodating 10 chickens, 7 rib racks, or 9 pork butts with ease. Plus, the built-in meat probe ensures your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Priced at just $1,293, it's an investment you won't regret. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.